What if one supplement could target all three pillars of aging at once: your gut, your skin, and your immune system? Today I'm breaking down Give Me Back My Youth, a dual action formula that does exactly that. Give Me Back My Youth combines two of nature's most powerful regenerative ingredients into one synergistic formula. First, hydrolyzed bovine collagen peptides. Collagen is the structural protein that holds your body together. Your skin, joints, and gut lining all depend on it. After age 25, you lose 1% of your collagen every year. This formula delivers highly bioavailable peptides your body can immediately use to rebuild. Second, bovine colostrum standardized to 30% immunoglobulins. Colostrum is nature's most complete superfood, packed with over 90 bioactive compounds. It contains growth factors like IGF-1 that signal your cells to repair and regenerate. Lactoferrin balances your gut microbiome, and proline-rich polypeptides modulate your immune system. Here's the magic. Collagen provides the building blocks while colostrum provides the instructions. Together, they restore your gut lining to stop inflammaging at its source, rejuvenate your skin from the inside out, and fortify your immune system. It's a complete anti-aging system in one scoop. But that's only half the story. In the full blog post, you'll discover the complete science behind each ingredient, how colostrum's growth factors heal leaky gut, optimal dosing strategies for maximum absorption, and how to combine this with your complete anti-aging protocol. Want to learn more? Click the link in the description below to read the full blog post and discover how Give Me Back My Youth can be the cornerstone of your anti-aging strategy. And if you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gut health content.